Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 5b up to question number 4 of chapter number 5. So now I shall start from to the question number 5 of exercise 5b. So see what? First question is what? Find 1 by 7 of 14. Find 1 by 7 of 14. So exercise 5b from question number 5. So last I have done up to question number 4. Okay. So 1 by 7 of 14. So that means what? 1 by 7 of 14. Of means what? Multiplication. So 1 by 7 into 14. 7 2 jar 14. Answer is what? 2 1 jar 2. Answer is what? 2 1 jar 2. Now come to question number 3. Question number 2 is same. Just you have to cancel. 1 by 6 of 30 hours. All are same. So 1 by 6 into 30. 6 5 jar 30. Answer is what? 5 1 jar 5. Okay. Now come to question number 4. 1 by 7 of 49 minutes. That is what? 1 by 7 into 49. 7 7 jar what? 49. So answer is what? 7. Okay. Now come to question number 5. 1 by 8 of 168. Okay, meter. So 1 by 8 into 168. So 8 2 jar 16. 8 1 jar 8. It is what? 21. So 21 1 jar 21. Number 6. 1 by 20 of 1000. Okay, ml. So what? 1 by 20 into 1000. So 0 0 cancel. Okay, 2 5 jar 10. 1 0 50. So 51 jar 50. Okay. Now come to question number 6. Find 2 by 5 of 30. Same thing. 2 by 5 of 30. 3 by 11 of 44. Like this. So the same thing we need to do. Okay. So see what? 2 by 5 of 30. 6 1. 2 by 5 of 30. Okay. So that means what? 2 by 5 into 30. So 5 6 are 30. So 2 into 6, it is what? 12. It is what? 12. Now come to question number 2. So question number 2 is what? 3 by 11 of rupees 44. 3 by 11 of rupees 44. Three by 11 of rupees 44. So you see what? 3 by 11 into 44. Okay. So 11 4 jar. So 3 into 4, it is what? 12. Okay. Now come to question number 6. 11 by 80 of question number 6. 11 by 80 of 4000 ml. 4000 ml. So what? 11 by 80 into what? 4000. So 1010 cancel. 8 5 jar. Okay. So 5 range are 55 0 550. So what? 550. So here one thing you write. Here you write what? Here you write rupees. Here you write what? Rupees. Here ml. Okay. Now come to high order thinking skills. Anjali has 3 by 5 cup of brown sugar. The recipe for carrot cake requires 5 by 7 cup of brown sugar. And does she have enough brown sugar for the cake? Explain. So what? The question it is said that what? Anjali has what? 3 by 5 cup of brown sugar. What? She has what? 3 by 5 cup of what? Brown sugar. And the recipe for carrot cake requires what? 5 by 7 cup of brown sugar. Now the question is asked that does she have enough brown sugar for the cake? That means what? So to check this one, that whether she has sufficient brown sugar or not for to make cake, so what? We shall check that which fraction is the bigger fraction. If 3 by 5 is bigger than what? 5 by 7, that means what? She has enough. Okay. And if 3 by 5 is less than 5 by 7, that means what? She doesn't have enough. Okay. Brown sugar. So right. Right. Number 12. Right. Anjali has 3 by 5 of brown sugar. Okay. And the recipe for the carrot cake requires how much? Take 5 by 7 cup of brown sugar. 5 by 7 cup of brown sugar. 5 by 7 cup of brown sugar. Now write. Alright, therefore the fractions are what? 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. Right, therefore LCM of 5 and 7 equals to what? If I take LCM of 5 and 7, then 35. Okay. Now make them what? Okay, so write 3 by 5 and 5 by what? 7. Okay. So what? 5 how much? 5 7 jar. So I write here 7. Here what? 21. Here what? 7 5 jar. 5 5 jar 25. 25. So here what? 35. 35. So you see from these two value what? You can understand that what? 21 by 35 and 25 by 35. That means what? She doesn't have what? Enough sugar. Since what? 25 by 35 is bigger than what? 21 by 35. Okay. So what? She doesn't have what? Enough sugar. Now write. Since 25 by 35 greater than 21 by 35. Therefore, that is what? Therefore, that is which fraction? 5 by 7 greater than what? 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. Therefore, she doesn't have enough brown sugar. Okay, so that is the answer. Now what? Now come to question number 13. Which number is between 32 by 9 and 3 7 by 9? That means what? Between the two fractions, I need to find which number lie between them. Okay, so see. So question number what? So question number what? 13. So question number 13 is what? You see, right, given the fractions are given the fractions are what? 32 by 9 and what? And 3 7 by 9. 3 7 by 9. That means what? If I take into what? Improper fraction, then what? 3 9 is 27. So 27 plus 7 14 34. Okay, so what? 34 by what? 9. So one thing you see from the two fractions, one thing clearly you can understand, that what? 32 by 9 and what? 34 by 9. So in between them what? 33 is there, because 32 then 33 then 34 come. So one thing what? So the fraction will be what? 33 by 9. So right. Therefore the required fraction will be, therefore the required fraction equals to what? 33 by 9. So if I make it, then what? 9 33. So what? So what? 3 9 are 27. Okay, 3 9 are what? 3 9 are, sorry, you see, you can cancel it. What? Now what? If you cancel it, then what? With 3 you can cancel 3 11 jar, 3 3 jar. Okay, now what? 11 by 3. Now you take into what? Mixed fraction 11. So 3 3 jar 9. Okay, So what? Answer is what? 3 3s are 9, remain 2. So this should be what? 3. Okay, that is what? Option number D. Option number what? D. Okay. 5B question number. So what? The option is what? D. D is the what? Required answer. The answer. Okay. So now come to question number 14. Put the following expression in order smallest to what? Largest. That means what? First we shall solve all the what? Expressions. Then what? After solving we shall get the value. Then we shall arrange the value according to what? In ascending order. That is what? From smaller to largest. Okay. So come to question number 14. So question number 14, you see. 14, right. Given the expression R. What? Given the expression R. What expression? 2/3 of 27. That means what? Number 1. 2/3 of 27. Okay. Comma. 1/4 of 36. Comma. 7/10 of 20. Comma. 48 divided by 3. Okay. So what? Now solve it, then you shall find answer. So solve. So it is what? 2/3 into 27, comma 1/4 into 36, comma 7/10 into 20. Okay. And this one what? If we solve, then what will get? So what? 3/48. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. So what? If we divide, then what? 16. 3s are. Now what? 3 9s are 27. 9 2s are what? 18. Okay. Now what? 4 9s are. The 9 1s are 9. Then what? 2s are. So 7 2s are what? 14. And here what? 16. Now what? Now what? In ascending order. Now smallest to largest. Right. Therefore from smallest to what? Largest. So from smallest to largest, if we arrange, then what? 9. Okay. 9, then what? 14, then what? 16. Okay. 16, then what? 18. Okay. So this one you write like this. What? 9 means what? Which fraction? 1/4 of 36. 1/4 of 36. Okay. Then what? 14. So sorry. Yes, 14 is what? 7/10 of 20. 7/10 of what? 20. Okay. Then what? 16. 16 is what? This one. 48. 3. Then what? 18. 18 is this one. 2/3 of 27. 2/3 of 27. That is the answer. Okay. from smallest to greatest. So come to question number 2. Yes, question number 2 is same. You practice at your home, okay? Same as like, okay, first you solve, then you arrange. It is very easy. So come to question number 15. In a survey, 80 students were asked to vote for their favorite subjects. Okay? So in a survey, there was a survey, and among this survey, 80 students were asked to vote for their favorite subject. Which one their favorite subject? They should vote for their favorite subject. So, and the favorite subject was given what? From English, Science and Maths. So from English, Science and Maths, the 80 students who what should vote that from these three subjects, which one is their favorite subject. Okay. Now 1 by 5 voted 1 by 5 what? 1 by 5 voted for what? English. Now among 80 students, what? 1/5 voted for what? English. 1/4 voted for what? Science. And the rest voted for what? Math subject. Now the question is asked, how many more votes did maths receive than English? So obviously from the question also you can ask that what? Maths got the highest vote. Because what? How many more votes did maths get? That more vote, that means what? It is what? Bigger received than the English. So what? First you what? First you write the total number of students. So question number 15, write total number of students. Total numbers of student equals to what? 80. Okay. Now what? Now numbers of student voted for English. Right. Now numbers of student voted for English equals to what? 1 by 5th. Okay, yes, 1 by 5th of what? Total students. So 1 by 5th of total student. Total student is what? 80. So that means what? 1 by 5 into what? 80. So 16. Okay, 16 students. Okay, 5 16 is 80. Now write, and numbers of student voted for what? English. Then what? Which subject? Voted for science. Science goes to what? How much? Fraction? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of total student. Okay. So 1 by 4 into 80. So 8 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. So it is what? 20 students. Now what? And the rest what? Voted for maths. That means what? So from total students, if I subtract the number of English students and the number of what? Science students, then I shall get what? The numbers of math students. So write. Now numbers of student voted for maths. Okay. Maths equals to what? Total student. Okay. Total student minus the sum of these two students. 16 plus 20. Okay. So it is what? 20 plus 10, it is 30, plus 6, it is 36. So what? 80 minus what? 36. Okay. So 80 minus 36, it is what? 10. 10 minus 6, it is what? 4. Here remain what? 7. 7 minus 3, it is what again? 4. 44 students. 44 students. Okay. So from the total numbers, what? I subtracted the number of students put for English and science. So I will get what? Number of students put for maths. Now how many more? Maths got 44 and English got what? 16. So if I subtract, then I shall get what? How many more goods got by what? Maths than English. Okay. So write numbers of both maths received than English. Right. Right. Numbers of both maths received. Maths what? Maths received. Maths received than English. English equals to what? Will be what? 44. Okay. Minus what? How many more boards did? So number of boards maths received then English equals to what? 44 minus what? Number of student English what? 16. Okay. So what? 44 and 16 if I subtract, then what? It will be what? 14. So 14 minus 6, it is what? 8. Okay. Here remain 3. 3 minus 1, it is what? 2. So what? 28 students. So that is the answer. Okay. So this is the end of this 5B exercise. Now I shall start exercise 5C. New exercise 5C. So what? So solve. Express your answer in the simplest form. Express your answer in the what? Simplest form. So okay, after solving what? We shall take to the what? Simplest form. Okay. So see. Question is what? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So see what is there? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Question number 1. 1 by 3 plus what? 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 plus what? 1 by 3. So what? First you take the LCM. So one thing you remember, whenever you see both the denominator are same, then the LCM will be anyone. That is from these two you take anyone. Okay. Whenever you see what? Actually what? The method is that what? You have to take the LCM of 3 and 3. So if I take the LCM of 3 and 3, then what? 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3. So what? Again 3 will come. So if you see like this, then you take directly. Okay. Then what? 3 1s are 3 1, 3 1s are 3 1. So what? It is what? 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3. Now come to question number 4. So these all are similar. So I am leaving. Okay. I am doing the different and the big one. 22 by plus 17 by what? 22. So in this case also what? The denominators are same. So LCM will be what? 22. So 5 plus 17. Okay. How? You divide 22 by 22. So the answer will come here. You see how I have written 1 plus 1. You divide 3, this 3 by this one. Okay. So 3 1s are 3. So the result is coming what? 1. Okay. If you divide this one, then 3 divided by 3 is what? The result is what? 1. And with this result you multiply the numerator. That is what? 1 1s are 1. Okay. Then again you divide this 3 by 3. Then you get what? Again what? 1. The result is what? 1. With this result you multiply this one, the numerator. So 1 1s are what? 1. Okay. Now in this case like this, you see, if you divide 22 by 22, then what? Answer is 1. So 1 5s are 5. Okay. Then 22 by 22, if you divide, then again answer coming what? 1. So 1 17s are what? 17. Okay. Now we add 5 plus 7 2, 22 by what? 22. Okay. So if I cancel, then what? It will get what? 1. Answer is what? 1. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Okay. So question number 5, you see 1 by 4 plus 0 by what? 4. So what? We know what 0 by 4 means what? 0. So let me do like this, 4. Okay. Then 4 divided by 4, it is what? 1. So 1 1s are 1. Plus 4 divided by 4, it is what? 1. So 1 into 0, it is what? 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1 by 4. Okay. So now come to question number 2. Now what? In this case what? We will subtract. So what is given? What? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So what? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 2 by what? 5. 2 Roman 1. So what? So LCM will be 5 because the denominators are same. So if the denominators are same, then you directly write this one, 3 minus 2. Whatever they are, directly you can write. And if you apply the method, then it will come same. If we 5 divided by 5, it is what? 1. So 3 1s are 3, and 5 divided by it is 1. So 1 2s are 2. So whenever you see both the denominators are same, then directly write whatever in the numerator as like 3 minus 2 or 3 plus 2. You see here both the denominators are same, so I wrote what? 22. And in the numerator what? 5 and 17 with a relation what? Plus. So 5 plus 17 I have written directly. It is only whenever the denominators will be same, at that case only, not in all cases. Remember that one. Don't be confused. So what? 3 minus 2, it is what? 1 by 5 answer. Okay. Now come to question number Roman 4, you see 35. Roman 4, 26 by 35, 12 by 35. 26 by 35, 12 by 35. Roman 4, 26 by 35 minus 12 by 35. So in this case also what? Both the denominators are same. So I shall write this one and directly I shall subtract the upper portion. So 26 minus 12 what? 6 minus 2, it is what? 4. And 2 minus 1, it is what? 1. So what? 35 by 14. Okay. Now 35 by 14 what? So answer is what? Sorry, 14 by 35. So now you can cancel with what? 7. 7 2 jar, 7 5 jar. Answer is what? 2 by 5. Okay. Now come to question number 5. 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4. So you see whenever you find what? 1 is in whole number and 1 is in what? Fraction. So what? You think that there is what? 1. So if I take 1 and 4 LCM, so the LCM will come what? 4. Because 1 and 4 LCM is what? 4. Now what? You divide 1 by 4, it will be what? If we divide 1 with 4, then 4 1s are what? 4. Okay. So what? It is coming 4. So with this 4, I need to multiply what? This numerator. So what? 4 1s are what? 4. Minus. If you divide this 4 divided by 4, that is what? 1. So 3 1s are what? 3. Okay. So what? 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 4 answer. Okay. So now come to question number 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So now you see in question number 1 and 2 you have done with the same denominator. So whenever you find the same denominator, that means what? You write from this denominator, you write 1 and directly write whatever there in the upper portion. with their sign. Okay. Now in question number 3 you will find what? That denominators are not same. So whenever the denominators are not same, at that time what? You need to take the LCM of that one. Okay. So see. So question number Roman 3, first one you see. Sorry, what to say? Question number 3, Roman 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 plus what? 1 by 4. So what? Since the denominators are not same, so I shall take what? LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 will be what? 12. Because 3 and 4, if I take, then what? I cannot divide with anyone. So whenever you cannot divide with anyone, with any numbers, then what? We multiply the what? Denominators. So what? 3 4 are what? 12. So 3 4 are 12. If we divide this one, then we are getting what? 4. And this 4 should go with multiplication with that one. So 4 1s are what? 4. Okay. So these things you apply on that side also. 4 divided by 12, it is what? It will be what? 4 3s are 12. So it is coming what? 3. And these 3 should be what? Multiply with this numerator. So 3 1s are what? 3. Understood? Now what? You add it. Okay. Now what? You add it. Now what? You add it, you get the answer. So 4 plus 3, it is what? 7. 7 by what? 12 is the required answer. 7 by what? 7 by 12. Now come to question number 4. Okay. Okay, question number 2 also you see. So question number 2, what is there? 3 by 8 plus 7 by 12. 3 by 8 plus 7 by what? 12. So 3 by 8 will be what? 8 and 12. The denominators are not same, so I shall take what? LCM. So 8 and 12 at a time, let me take what? LCM. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are. Again what? 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Okay. Now what? With 2 1s are, then 3 will remain same. Again what? With 3, 1 will remain same, 3 1s are 3. So we are getting what? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay. So what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 1s are 24. Okay. So we are getting what? 24. So what? So 8 3s are 24. So if we divide this one, then we are getting what? 3. 8 3s are 24, and this 3 into this 3 what? 9. Okay. Then 12, how many are? 12 2s are 24. Then 2 7s are what? 14. Now what if we add it? It will be what? 23 by what? 24. 14 plus 9. Okay. So what? 23 by 24 is the what? Required answer. So now what? You cannot divide further. So that is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 4. Come to what? Question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? In question number 4, it is there what? 3 by 5 plus what? 13 by 20. 13 by what? 20. Okay. So 3 by 5 plus what? 13 by 20. So what? 5 and 20. Let me take the what? LCM. So one thing you remember, if you take LCM, then you see, I can, what to say? I can calculate by mouth. How you see? 5 and 20, the LCM will be what? 20. How? You see, if you take the LCM, then you will get what? 20. You see, you take the LCM. 5 and what? 20. So what? These I can divide only with 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are what? 20. So again with what? With 4, this one will remain 1, then 4 1s are 4. So what? 5 4s are we are getting what, 20. So how you see? Yes, whenever you see that we can divide this 20 by 5, but we can divide the what, denominators, that one with that one or this one with that one. In any way, if you can divide the denominators, okay, if the denominators are divisible with one another, okay, or what, we can divide, then you write the bigger one, that is what, 20. Or if you get confused, then take LCM. Okay, so what, it is 20. So 5 how many are? 5 4s are, then 4 3s are 12, plus what, 20. If you divide 20, then 20 1s are 20, so 1 coming, so 13 1s are 13. So 3 plus 2 it is 5, 1 plus 1 it is 2, 25 by what, 20. Now this one I can what, this one I can take into what, lowest term. How? With 5. 5 5s are 5 4s are, so it is coming what, 5 by 4. And what, 5 by 4 is in what, improper fraction, because what, the numerator is what, greater, so I shall take into what, mixed fraction. How? If you divide this one, then what, with 5 if you divide, then 4, then what, 4 1s are 4, remain what, 1. Okay, so it will be what, 4 1 by 1 4 by 4. How you see? 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. So that is the what, answer. Now come to question number 5, 3 of Roman 5. Roman 5 you see. Roman 5 what? 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Now what? Earlier we have done with what? 2 terms, now with 3 times. 3 terms, that is the what? Difference. So 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So what? You take the LCM. Since the denominators are not same, so you take the LCM. So 3, 4, 6 you take at a time. So you see, first we'll check that what, 4 and 6 are what, going with 2. So we'll divide by 2, and 3 is not going, so we shall keep 3 and we shall divide. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Now you see this one what, with 3 3, okay, then what, or you see 2 is there, so you can divide with what, 2. So 3 you keep, this 3 you keep, and 2 1s are what, 2. Now what, both are 3, so we shall divide it with 3. 3 1s are 3, 1, then 3 1s are 3. Now you see this if we multiply, then what, 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are what, 12. Okay, so 6 2s are what, 12. So what, the LCM is what, 12 I got. Okay, now 3 how many is that, 12. 3 4s are 12, so 4 1s are 4. Okay, whatever the result you will get, you have to multiply this one with the what, numerator of that particular number with which you have divided. So you are dividing with 4, so 4 3s are 12, so this 3 should be multiplied with this 3, so 3 3s are 9, plus 6 2s are 12, we got what, 6 2s are 2, this 2 should be multiplied, 5 2s are 10. Okay, now what, you add it, so what, 4 plus 9 it is what, 13, 13 plus 10 it is what, 23. Okay, so what, 23 by 12. So it is a what, improper fraction, so I shall take to what, I shall take to what, mixed fraction. So if I divide, then 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, so 12 1s are 12. Okay, so remain what, 11. So the remainder you write here. How? You see, if we divide, then what, 12 with 23, then 12 1s are 12, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 1 it is 1. So this is the remainder. So remainder we write in the what, numerator. This 12, the divisor we write as what, as the denominator, and the quotient we write as what, as a what, natural number here. Okay, as a whole number. So that is the what answer. Now come to what question number 4. It is what subtraction. So what 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Okay. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So question number 4 you see. Question number 4 what is there? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Question number 4 1 by 3 minus 1 by what? 6. 1 by 3 minus what? 1 by 6. So as like earlier we shall take what? LCM. So since what? This 3 can what? This 3 can divide 6. So the bigger one will be what? 6. So 6 is the what? LCM. Or else you take the what? The what 6 is the LCM, or you take 3 and 6 LCM, you will get answer. Okay. So 3 2s are, then it will be 2, and 6 1 1. Okay. So 1 by 6 is the required answer. How? 3 2s are 6, so 2 1s are 2. 6 1s are 6, so 1 into 1 again what? 1. So 2 minus 1 it is what? 1 by 6. Okay. Now come to question number 3. What is the question number 3? 7 by 10 minus 2 by 15. 7 by 10 minus 2 by 15. 7 by 10 minus 2 by what? 15. So what? 10 and 15 if you take LCM, then 10 15. Since what we cannot divide, so I shall take what? LCM. So with what? With 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. With 2 1s are 2, then remain 3. Again with 3 1 1. So we are getting what? 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So we are getting what? 30 as a what? LCM. Now what? 10 3s are 30. So 3 7s are what? 21. Minus 15 2s are 30. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. So what? 30 by 4. So what? 21 minus 4 it is what? 17. 17 by what? 17 by 30. Okay. So that is the answer. Now which question? Now you see the last one, that is 6. Roman 6. Question number 4 Roman 6. 4 Roman 6. What? Last one is what? 2 minus 3 by 8 I think. Yes, 8. So what? In this case what? Here what? In the denominator what? 1 is there. So if I take 1 and 8 LCM, so the LCM will be what? 8. Okay. So what? If you divide this 1 with 8, then what? The answer is coming what? 8. That is what? The question is coming what? The question is coming what? 8. How you see 1 divided by 8? That is what? 8 ones are what? 8. Nah? So we are getting 8. Okay. So this 8 we multiply with 2 what? 8 2s are what? 16. Then this minus. Then 8 divided by 8 it is what? 1. So 1 into 3 is what? 3. Okay. 1 into 3 it is what? 3. So 16 minus 3 it is what? 13. 13 by 8 is the what? 13 by 8, since it is a what? Improper fraction, so I take it what? Into mixed fraction. So 8. 8 2s are what? 16. So 8 1s are 8. Okay. 9 10 11 12 13. So it will, so what remaining? 5. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Simplify. So these are also same. Okay. So question number 1 you see. So 1 I am solving, 2 you solve. The same thing you have to apply, only plus and minus. So what? Question number 1 what is given? 5. Roman 1. 5 what? Roman 1 what is given in the book? 1 by 6 plus 3 by 8. 1 by 6 plus what? 3 by 8. Okay. Then what? Minus 1 by 4. Minus what? 1 by 4. Okay. So what? first you complete the what? Bracket work. So what? 6 and 8 if you take LCM, then what? 6 comma 8 if you take LCM, then with 2 3s are 2 4s are again what? 3 1s are and 4 remain again what? Here what? With 4 1 here 1 0. So we are getting what? 4 3s are what? 12 2s are what? 24. So what? So what? We are getting what? 24. So 6 how many are 24? So 6 how many are 24? Yes. 6 4s are what? 24. So 4 1s are 4. Plus 8 how many are? 2s are. Sorry. 8 3s are what? 24. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. Minus what? 1 by 4. So 4 plus 9 13. 13 by 24 minus what? 1 by 4. Now again you take the LCM of these two, 4 and 24. 24 and what? 4. Okay, so I can divide with what? 2 12s are 2 2s are again what? 2 6s are 2 1s are. Okay, so we are getting LCM what? 6 2s are what? 12. 12 2s are what? 24. Again you are getting what? 24. So what? We are getting what? 24. Okay, so 24 1s are 24. So here 13 1s are 13 1. So 4 6 are, so 6 1s are 6. So 7 by what? 24 is the required answer. So what? 7 by what? 24 is the what? Required answer. So question number 12, it is same, just in place of minus what? It is given what? Plus. So just you do this one, you practice this one. Okay. Now come to question number 6. So question number 6, you see Roman 2 I am solving. Okay. And Roman 2 and 3 I shall solve. 1 and 4 you solve. Okay, same thing, the process are same. Okay, question number 6 Roman 2. So question number 6 Roman 2, what is there? 4 3 by 5 4 3 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10 2 7 by what? 10. 2 7 by 10. So these are in what? Mixed fraction. So I shall what? Take into what? Improper fraction. Then I shall what? Solve. So what do you see how? 4 5s are what? 20. 20 plus 3 it is what? 23 by 5. So how to break this one? These things you have learned in class 5. So first you multiply this one with natural number with the denominator. So 4 5s are what? 20. 20 plus 3 23 and you add the numerator. So 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 23 plus what? 2 10s are 20. 20 plus 7 27. 27 by what? 10. Now if you take 5 and 10 LCM, then what? This 5 can divide 10. So what? The bigger one will be what? The bigger one will be the LCM. Or you take the LCM of 5 and 10, you will get what? 10 as the LCM. So 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. We are getting what? 2. Then these 2 should be multiplied with the numerator. So 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Plus what? 10 if I divide then 1. So it is what? 27. Okay. With 10. So 6 plus 7 13. And 1. 4 plus 2 it is what? 6 and 1 7. 73 by what? 10. So it is a what? Improper fraction. So I shall take into what? Mixed fraction. So what? 10 7s are what? 10 7s are 70. Remain what? 3. So here 73. Okay. So this is the what? Answer. So these all are same. Now come to question number 3. Okay. 6 Roman 3. 7 by 7 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 4 7 by what 12. 4 7 by what 12. Now what, first you break. 7 3s are what 21. 21 plus 2 21 22 23. 23 by 3 plus 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. The numerator one what 5 by 4 plus 4 12s are 48. 40 what 8 plus 7. Okay, so 8 plus 7 15. 4 plus 1 and 5. 55 by what 12. Okay, now what 3 4 12, you take the LCM of 3 4 12. So the LCM of what 3 4 12, 3 4 and 12, 3 4 12. So this 4 and 12 we can divide with 2. So let's start with what 2 and keep this 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are. Again this one what 2 and 6 I can divide with 2. So keep this 3. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. Now what with 3 1 1 1. Okay. So what we are getting 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are what 12. So what 12 is the what LCM. Now divide 3 4s are 12. So 4 into 23. So 23 into what 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12 and 1 2. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Okay. 92 plus 4 4 again 3s are 12. So 3 5s are what 15. Okay. Now what 12 1s are 12. So 50 by 1s are 55. Now add 92 15 55. What we are getting 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12. 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15 and 1 16. It is coming what 162 divided by what 12. 162 what divided by what 12. So it is in what improper fraction. So let us take to the lowest term, okay, if it is possible. Okay, so here you see if we cancel with 2 then 6 2s are 12, and if we cancel with this one 2 then 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now we can cancel with this one with 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 3 7s are 21. So it is coming what 27 by 7, what 27 by 2. Now what you take into what mixed fraction. So 27 by 2 how it is 2 divided by what 27. So 2 1s are 2 remain what 7, 2 3s are 6 remain what 1. Okay, so it is what, so it will be what the remainder is at numerator, the divisor is at what denominator, and the quotient is at natural number. So 13 2s are 26 and 1 what 27. So 13 1 by 2. So answer is what 13 1 by 2. Okay, now come to question number 7. 5 3 by 7 minus 2 2 by 7. So these all are same. Okay, so what is there in question number 7? What is there? 5 3 by 7 minus 2 2 by 7. These all are same in the same process. Okay, so let me do one just I am showing. Okay, you practice best. 5 3 by 7 minus 2 2 by 7. Question number 7 1. 5 3 by 7, 5 3 by 7 minus what 2 2 by 7, 2 2 by what 7. Okay, so you solve it. So first break this. 5 7s are what 35, 36 37 38. So what 38 by 7. Okay, minus 2 7s are 14, 15, 16, 7. So you see, since what both the denominator are same, so what 7 is a what LCM, and 38 minus what 16. Okay, now subtract 8 minus 6 it is 2, 3 minus 1 it is what 2. So what 22 by what 7, 22 by 7, so it is improper. So let me take to what proper. So 7 3s are what 21 and 1 22. Okay, now come to question number 4. Okay, so question number 7 Roman 4. So question number 7 Roman 4, what is there? (12) 15 by what 16 minus 7 3 by what 4, 7 3 by what 4. Now what you break it first. 12 into 16 you multiply, 16 into what 12. So what you are getting 32 and 16. So 291. Okay, 192 we are getting. Now add it 15. What will get 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 2, 20 what 7. So we are getting what 207 by what 16 minus this side. So 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 28 plus what 3, 11, 31. So what 31 by 4. Okay, 31 by what. Now what, now you take the LCM. So LCM will be what, since what we can divide 16 by 4, so the LCM will be what bigger one 16. So what 16 if we divide then 1 into 207 again what 207 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, so we are getting what 4. So 31 into 4 how much, 4 1s are 4, 3 4s are 12, 124, 124. Okay, now what subtract it, 207 and what 124, subtract it. 7 minus 4 it is what 3, here nothing is there, so we take what 10, 10 minus 2 it is what 8, here 1 minus 1 0, so it is what 83, 83 by what 16. Okay, so it is what 83 by 16, and this 83 by 16 is what improper. So let me take into what mixed fraction. So 5 16s are 80 plus 3, so that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. So 8 also same. Okay, like this. Okay, let me show 1. Okay, so question number 1 you see 8, 6 1 by 3 minus 2 4 by 5 plus 1 7 by 15. So see what 6 1 by 3, 6 1 by 3 minus 2 4 by 5 minus 2 4 by 5 plus 1 7 by 15, 1 7 by 15. Okay, 1 7 by what 15. Solve it. So 6 3s are what 18 and 1 what 19, 19 by 3. Okay, minus 2 5s are what 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 by 5 plus 15 1s are so what 15 1s are 15 and 15 plus 7 21. sorry 22. Okay, so what, 22 by 15. Now what, now take the LCM. So LCM will be, I think, 15. All are divisible. So let me check. 3, 5 and what, 15. Okay, so LCM will take what, 3. 3 1s are 3, then 5 remaining, 3 5 are 15, again with what, 5. So 3 5 are 15. Okay, now we divide this 3 with 15. Divide 15 with 3. So 3 5 are 15. So 5 19 are, you see. So what, 5 19 are what, 95. Now what, 5 how much, 5 3 are, so it is what, then 3 14 are 3 14 are 42. Now what, plus 15 how much, 1 are, so 22 1 are 22. Now what, now subtract 95 minus 42 how much, so 95 minus what, 42. 5 minus 2 it is 3, 9 minus 4 it is what, 5. 53. 53 plus 22. Okay, so what, 53 22 how much, 3 plus 2 it is what, 5, and 5 plus 2 it is what, 7. 75 by 15. Okay, what, 75 by 15. So 15 5s are what, 75. So you can cancel it. So the answer is what, 5. So what, that is the what, answer. Okay, so I think you can solve question number 2, question number 3 also. These all are same. Okay, you practice 2 and 3, both are same. So this process like this, solve and find the answer, find the LCM, then solve, then you just do plus minus. This seems you know plus and minus. So what, now come to high order thinking skills. What, high order thinking skills, question number 17. So question number 17, what is given? A wheelbarrow can hold 26 1 by 4 kg. That means what, a wheelbarrow can what, can take what, 26 1 by 4 kg. Okay, 4 rocks that weight, rocks means what, one type of stones. Okay, so the weight of 4 rocks are given, 6 1 by 8 kg, 8 1 by 2 kg, 4 3 by 4 kg and 7 1 by 2 kg. Okay, are to be loaded into the wheelbarrow. So these 4 rocks are to be what, loaded in the what, wheelbarrow. Okay, so and the weight of the 4 rocks are given, the different weights are given. Now the question is asked, can the wheelbarrow hold all the 4 rocks? Now the question is asked that whether the wheelbarrow, the things what with this, the things with which we want to carry these 4 rocks, whether this can take or not, whether this can bear the weight of these 4 rocks or not. So obviously, so if I add all the weight of the rocks, okay, then whatever the result will come, with this result I shall compare the what, the weight what the wheelbarrow can what, hold. So if the weight of the wheelbarrow, what, if the weight of the wheelbarrow become greater than the weight of the 4 rocks, then what, it can hold, and if it become what, big, then what, it cannot what, hold. So right. So what you see, a wheelbarrow can hold 26 1 by 4 kg. So right. 17. Okay. So what? A wheelbarrow can what? Right. A wheelbarrow can hold equals to what? 26 1/4. So that is what, if I take, then this one what? 626 into 4, 6 4s are 24, and even what, 2 4 2s are 8 10 104 plus 1 105. So 105/4 kg. What? Kg. Okay, 105/4 kg. Okay, now what? Now write. Alright, therefore total weight of the 4 rocks equals to what? You add all this. 6 1/8, 6 1/8. So here you write rocks equals to what? 6 1/8 plus what? 8 1/2 plus 4 3/4. Okay, plus 7 1/2. So all are kg. Okay, kg. Kg. So 1 2 3 4. 6 1/8, 6 1/8, 8 1/2, 4 3/4, 7 1/2. Now add. So as like earlier, you add. So first you break the mixed fraction. 48, 6 8s are 48 and 1 49. So 49/8 plus 8 to the 16 and 1 17/2 plus 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19, 19 by what? 4 plus 7 to the what? 12. Sorry, 7 to the what? 14. 14 and what? 15. 15 by what? 2. Okay. Now what? Take the LCM of that. We check one time. 48 and 1 49/8. 8 to the 16 and 1 17. 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19. 7 to the 14 and 1 15. Now we take the LCM of that. 8 2 4 2. So what? You take the LCM. 8 2 4 2. Okay, 8 2 4 2. So with 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again with 2 I can take 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 2 1s are 2, 1. Even what? With 2 I can take 2 1 1 1 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are what? 8. So here was highest is what? 8. Okay. Highest is what? 8. So here what? Highest is what? 8. So 8 1s are 8. So 49 will remain what? 49 plus 2 4s are 8. So what? 7 4 17 are 68. Then what? 4 2s are what? 8. So 19 2s are 38 plus what? 2 4s are 8. So 15 4s are 60. Okay, now add all these things. 49, okay, then 68, then 38, then 60. So 8 is a what? 8 plus 8 what? 16. 16 plus 9. 25. 16 plus 9. Yes, correct. So what here? 8 plus 8 what? 16. 16 plus 9 what? 25. So hand given what? 2. Okay. So what? Here you see 6 plus 4 it is what? 10. And 6 plus 3 it is what? 9. So 10 plus 9 it is what? 6 plus 4 it is 10. 10 plus 3 it is what? 13. 13 plus 6 19. 19 plus 2 19, 20, 21. 215. So what? We are getting what? 215 by 8. 215 by 8 we are getting. So what? We are getting what? 215 by what? 8. So equals to what? 215 by what? 8. So what? We cannot further divide this one. Okay. So what? 215 by 8 is the fraction came. Now what you see? So what? This 215 by 8. Okay. And what? 105 by 4. Earlier the answer came. Okay. The what? The weight which can hold by what? Wheelbarrow. 105 by 8. Now let us check which fraction is greater. So how to check? Right. Now what? How to compare which fraction is greater? So right. Now 200. Sorry, right. Now the fractions are right. Therefore the fractions are what? 105 by what? 105 by what came? 4. And what? Comma 215 by 8. Now what? Among these, which one is greater? So if you can compare, then you can say that the wheelbarrow can hold or not. So compare, how to compare? You see 105 by 4, then what? Then what? 215 by what? 8. So how to compare? You see, you compare like this. You multiply, you cross multiply this one with that one, okay, and this one with that one. So we can compare. So 105 into 8, okay, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4. So 8 zeros are 0, 4, okay, 8 1s are 8. It is coming what? 840. Okay, and here what? 215 and 4. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, handyman 2, 4 1s are 4, 2 it is what? 6, and 2 4s are 8, 860. It is coming what? 860. So which one is bigger? This one. So that means what? This side is what? Bigger. So right. Right. Therefore what? Which one is bigger? So right. So this one is bigger. So right. Therefore, yes. Therefore, the wheel WH double EL. Therefore, the wheelbarrow cannot. The wheelbarrow cannot hold the 4 rocks. 4 rocks. That is the answer. Okay. Now what? Now question number 18. Find the value of x. Okay, from the fractions. So 15x by 6 plus 18 2 by 3 plus 34 1 by 2. So see how to take, how to solve. Okay. So what you see? 18. 18 is what? 15 x by what? 6 plus 18 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 34 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Let me check once. 15x by 6, 18 2 by 3, 34 1 by 2. Okay. So now you solve. First you solve this one, you break it. So 15 6 and 90, 90 plus x, it is what? 90x. 90 plus x. Okay. We are what? Adding by 90. So this one 50, 3 18 are what? 54, then what? 56 plus 6 what? 56 by 3. Okay, equals to what? 34 2 jar, 4 2 jar what? 8, 4 2 jar what? 8, and 3 2 jar what? 6. So 68 plus 1 67, 34 into 2, 4 2 jar 8, 3 2 jar 6 plus 1 67. Okay, so what? 67 by what? 2. Now what? Now you what? Transfer this mix this fraction here. So 90 plus x, you keep this one. Okay, then what? You take this one by transposition method, minus what? 5 by 6. Okay, so 67 by 2 it was earlier, 56 by 3 it was plus, so I transferred this on the right side by changing the sign, minus 15 by 6. So it is what? By shifting method or by transposition. That is what we transfer one term to the other side by changing the sign. Now what? 90 plus x by 6 equals to, here if you take LCM, then 2 into 3, it is what? LCM is what? 6. Now 67 minus 56. So 67 minus what? 56. What coming? So what is coming? 7 minus 6, it is what? 1. Okay, and 6 minus 5, it is what? 1. 11. Wait, 34. Then what? 56 by 3. Then what? Sorry, here you see, here wrong. Here what? 68 plus 1, it is 69. So here will be what? 69. Okay. Okay, 69. So what here will be what? 69. 69. Find the value of x. Okay, 15x by 6 plus 18 2 by 3. Yes, here 69 I have corrected here. 69. Okay. Wait, let me solve this one again. 34 into what? 2, it is what? 4 2 jar 8, 3 2 jar 6, and plus 1, it is what? 8 9 69. So what? 69 by 2 already written. Now what? This I should transfer on the what? Right side. So it will come as a what? Minus. So 69 minus 56. 69 minus what? 56. It is coming what? It is coming what? 15. So 9 minus 6, how much? 3. Here what? 6 minus 5, it is what? 1, 13. Is that wrong actually? Fifteen x by 6 plus 18 2 by 3 equals to what? 34 1 by 2. 34 1 by 2. So it is here what coming? 13. Yes, here wrong I think. Again 18 into 3, how much coming? Fifty-four. 54 plus 2, it is what? 56. This correct. Okay. Let me solve again this one. There is something wrong. Let me write 18. 15x by what? 6 plus 18 2 by 3 equals to what? 34. Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, so let me solve again. 15 6 are 90. So 90 plus x, 90 plus x by 6. Okay, now here what? Plus 18 3 are 54. 54 plus 2, it is what? 56. So what? 56 by what? 56 by 3. 56 by 3 equals to what? 34 to that. 34 into 2, how much? 4 2 are 8, 3 2 are 6, and 1 what? It is 69. So 69 by what? 2. 69 by what? 2. Now what? Now let me do in another way. 6 plus 3, if you take LCM, and 6, then what? 90 plus x. Okay, then plus 6 2 jar 6 3 jar what? 6 6 2 jar 3 2 jar 6. So 56 2 jar how much? 6 2 jar 12, 5 2 jar 6. Wait, 6 2 jar 12, 5 2 jar 10, and 1 11. So what? 1 1 2. Okay, equals to what? 69 by what? 2. Okay, now what? Now what? Now I can cancel this both side. Okay, so if I now what? Now if I cancel, then 2 1 jar 2, 2 3 jar 6. Okay, now what? Cross multiply. So 90 plus x equals to 3 into 69. So 69 into 3, how much? 3 9 jar what? 7, 27, and remain what? 2. Then 3 6 are 18, 19 20, 20 what? 7. So what here we are coming what? 207. Now what? X equals to what? 207. Yes, here wait here one thing wrong. for 90 plus x plus 112, and what? So here what we got, what? 207. Now what? 90 plus x equals to what? 207. This one minus 112. So 207 minus 112. How much coming? 7 minus 2, it is what? 5. Okay, it is what? 5. And here what? Here remain what? 0. So let we take what? 1. So 10 minus 1, it is what? 9. It is coming what? 95. So 1 minus 1, 0. So what? 90 plus x equals to what? 95. Okay, 90 plus x equals to what? 95. Now come on that side. Okay, so what? After that you come here. Okay, so what? X. So what? X will be what? 95 minus this 90. Here it is plus, so if we transfer to right side, it is what? 90. Okay, so what? X equals to what? 95 minus 90, it is what? 5. So what? That is the required answer of what? X. Okay, so this is the what? Answer. So today up to this, and this is the end of chapter number 5. So in the next class I shall start a what? New chapter. Thank you very much.